Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start now by selecting 2 to 3 cups of stale bread. Crusts are fine. Tear the loaf into roughly 1 to 2 inch pieces by hand because smaller pieces dry faster and make finer crumbs. If you choose oven dry, preheat to 275 degrees. Otherwise, leave pieces on a cooling rack at room temperature to dry for 12 to 24 hours. Once torn, spread pieces in a single layer so air circulates. This prevents steam and keeps crumbs crisp when processed. Once your bread is bone dry and cool, you move to grinding. Make sure it's completely cooled so moisture doesn't clump. Use a sturdy zipper bag and a rolling pin to crush into coarse crumbs, or use a mortar, pestle, or small food chopper and pulse gently. Avoid pureeing because you want texture. After grinding, sift through a fine sieve to separate fine crumbs from larger pieces. Collect coarse bits for panko-style coatings. If you need finer crumbs, repeat short pulses and check frequently to avoid pasting. You finish by seasoning and storing. Mix about 1 teaspoon salt per 2 cups of crumbs, then add herbs, parmesan, or garlic powder to taste. Mix evenly so every spoonful is balanced. Pack airtight and store at room temperature up to 2 weeks, or freeze in labeled bags for several months. If your crumbs turn soggy, re-dry them in a 300 degrees oven for 10 to 12 minutes, cool completely, then regrind. This fixes moisture and restores crisp texture. Make sure to test a pinch before storing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.